What's up guys, in today's video I'll be teaching you how to create a ghost effect in your video. That is how to make a ghost come out of somebody in a video. So if you're interested in this video, just keep watching because right now I'm going straight into the video. First of all, you record a video using a tripod. Make sure you're using a tripod. So you first of all record, then you pretend to be sleeping also. So after some time you stand up from here, then you pretend to look at yourself. You understand? Stand up, pretend to look at yourself, then you walk away. Make sure you are looking at the same direction where you were sitting before. You understand? Before walking out of the camera. Once you open your CapCut app, click on new project, then you import your video. That is the video you want to use. Okay, I'm using this video. Click on add. Then you select the particular part of the video you want to use. So I want to use this part. Click on split, delete this first part of it. Then you move towards where you want the effect to start from. So I want it here. Click on split. Then you locate where your client stood up, where he stood up. Look for where he stood up. Visit. Click on it. Click on it. Go to overlay. Then you look for, move it to where you want it to start from. I want to make some adjustments here because I partially cut out many parts, so I just have to move it. And I have to do some adjustments here. Yeah, about delete. Make some adjustments. Then this is where the main edit comes in now. You tap on this overlay, tap on this splice you're seeing here. Then you choose the one that is best for you. You see, this one. So you can just reduce it 70. Let's see how this one is. Then you add animation to it. Add fading animation. And increase it by 10 and increase it by 2.5. Let's see how it goes. So when you're through with your editing, your video should look like this. If you're interested in learning how to add green screen footage to your video, click on this next video here to watch and learn.